at these high density sheet metal storage racks, another aspect that's really important is obviously how easy they are to use. So another design that we intentionally include is the size of these fork pockets of going in and out of the cartridges with your forklift. So we use 3x10 tubes, or other options you can see on the market are 3x8, which are more narrow obviously. That added width is very intentional. So obviously it's easier to go in and out of these cartridges, but much more importantly, when you bring a cartridge over and you're trying to put it back into its shelf, and you drive up to the shelf, you're going to tilt your forks down slightly, and you'll have the front square edge of the cartridge resting on the angle iron for the shelf it's going to be slid into. The extra width on these fork pockets allow us so that if you're not perfectly square to the rack when entering the shelf, there's enough room for your forks for wiggle, so that as long as you're driving forward into the rack, that extra width on these tubes is going to square the cartridge up as you go forward. So that way it doesn't feel like you're performing operation or performing surgery as you're doing that. It does make it quite a bit easier so that it avoids any risk of jamming and having to back up and re-enter, but it also just makes it easier visually too, going in and out.